So we're down here in Baja for the Baja 500.
1, 2, 3, 4 tacos. Don't forget the rice and beans on the plato. I like to eat, homie, yo no estoy flaco. Yeah, chubby, pero I'm still guapo. 1, 2.
So me and Shay just chilling. Day 1 of pre-running. How you feeling?
Good. Better once we have radios in the car. It's kind of like a tough one because you kind of, in a way, it'd be nice to not have to listen to Max. But in a way, you kind of need him to talk to, so it's...
Yeah, it's catch-22.
Yeah, it's catch-22 for sure.
Pretty nice day today. Yeah. I don't blame you. I'm not sure what mile marker we are at. Somewhere out in the desert. So they're getting gas, they're fueling up. Hopefully I can get some shots coming through down this way. There's a cool little alley, but the wind is so bad right now. Struggling. I was chasing them in right now and it was hard to stay with the car, even at almost full throttle. So we'll see. Stay tuned.
I've been thinking about my future lately. Think I'll improve it greatly. I've been thinking about a change of direction. New look in the mirror's reflection. No money, no truth, more money, more lies. More lies. No money.
Let's get some tacos. I've heard good things about this place.
¿De qué tiene? ¿Tiene de chorizo sin tortilla?
Yes, sir.
¿Sabes qué? Ya sea querer.
Have you eaten here? Yeah.
Yeah, I've been here a few
1,
times.
2, 3, 4 tacos. Don't forget the rice and beans on the plato. I like to eat, homie, yo no estoy flaco. Yeah, chubby, pero I'm still guapo. 1, 2, 3, 4 tacos. Don't forget the rice and beans on the plato.
Shade, how were those tacos? Those tacos are good. So they're doing a 40-mile loop, and then they're going to meet us here for more tacos. But we couldn't wait. We had to get tacos already. Shade needed to eat. So this is what we do, waiting for Craig to come through.
Competition, yeah.
I'm the co-driver. You haven't slept all day, Shade. So we're around mile marker 400 and this place is awesome. I flew a pack already and then my goggles died. The nicest place that we've been today, the most scenic and probably fun to fly, my goggles die. I think that's my luck, But I'm gonna go over here and check out some stuff.
There's candles burning up. Look at all the candles in the sun.
There's a crocodile right there. No wheelies. Okay, ready for round 2? I think Shade's ready for round 2.
What noise are you making? Do it again. What is that? Have you ever started a dip?
Oh yeah, she's done it since she was a puppy.
That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. I see it. You want to get out?
All right, so I'm gonna walk up here and see if there's anywhere I can stand and fly right here. I think I'll just stand right here pretty much and then chase them as far as I can. It's pretty much straight shot. I don't know how good it'll look. I need to find a spot where it's, I don't know, I can chase the car for longer and be a little bit more in proximity to it, not just doing 80 miles an hour straight ahead. I'm hoping that when the other pre-runner gets here, I'll be able to maybe get in the car and go with them for a loop. That way I can get out and shoot some cool spots. So, day 2, pre-running. How you feeling?
Feeling good. Where's your helicopter? Where are your...
Fly, baby, fly.
What are you guys up to?
Eating tacos.
You are?
So that was a good 2.5 hours, but they thought it was gonna be an hour and a half. I like the look. I like the look.
How bad do you want to win?
El Banditos.
Oh.
Connor, you can make like you like this. You know you do.
So we're at mile marker 204. Keith just got here. They're unloading the cars, and then they're gonna run 204 to 250. And I think Max is gonna stay down in San Felipe tonight, and then run this half in the morning. I'm gonna try to do some flying right now, but it's so windy. It's always windy. So I didn't get a chance to fly too much today. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really, really windy. But I did get a few shots today. Hope you like them.